Good morning, children. Today I am going to take Sushrita, an ancient plastic surgeon. Okay, already two lessons over now. Today, this lesson is the different of the lesson. This is the reading purpose. So, actually, you have to read and write the comprehension passages like that. But though I wanted to tell, okay, Sushrita is the name of the person. He was an ancient plastic surgeon. In the olden days, we don't have the doctors. No one should go to the doctors. But nowadays, we are going. So, how Sushrita worked? Here we are going to know what are the important points. You have to remember and write them in the notebooks also. It was midnight when Sushrita was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. Who is out there? Asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from his socket in the wall and approaching the door. I am a traveler. My revered means respect. He was respecting. So Sushrita was an old doctor, aged doctor here they gave. When he was sleeping, that is the odd time midnight, somebody came and knocking the door. So when anybody knocking at the door, we also ask who is there, who is outside. So then and there we won't go and open the door. Like that here also, aged doctor was asking who is out. So what the person saying, I am a traveler. My revered Sushrita, revered, R-E-V-R-E-D. Revered means that is the respectful one. Respectful, he was giving the answer. He was respecting the old aged one. Why the person came to the Sushrita? Why he came to the Sushrita's house? So afterwards we are going to know. Was the anguished reply. Anguished means he was paining something. He was paining something. Anguished. That means pain. So anguished reply. A tragedy has befallen me. I need your help. What the person who was outside saying, I need your help. Maybe he was a famous doctor. No, that's what. In the midnight also, the person came and knocking the door. The doctor asked who was outside. He said, I'm a traveler. I need your help. Then and there, how Sushrita reacted, that fellow, that traveler. See? Sushrita opened the door. That is the doctors. Anybody's. Those who are feeling their duty, those who are showing the concentration, those who are responsible in their work, then and they will respond. But here, Sushrita opened the door. Opened the door. He was not saying, go, this is the midnight, tomorrow you come. Not like that. So, then and they, he went and opened the door. What he saw was a man kneeling before him, tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disfigured nose. When he opened the door, Sushrita saw that man was suffering a lot. He was kneeling before Sushrita. Kneeling means he knelt down. Knelt is the past tense. He kneeling down. He saw his nose was disfigured. Figured means normal size, actual position. Disfigured means the nose got something damaged. Disfigured nose. He saw the disfigured nose and then what he was doing? Get up, my son. How did he call ma? Get up, my son. Right? Get up. Why are you kneeling down? He didn't say like that. Get up, my son, and come in. He was a traveler. He was an unknown person. How Sushrita was calling him inside. So that is a very great one. Okay, ma'am? That was the midnight. Nowadays, we won't open the door, we won't call him inside because of the COVID-19. Okay, ma'am? But here, Sushrita opened the door and asked him and calling him and welcoming him, come inside. Everything will be alright. That is the doctor's mentality. Only good doctors will say like that. What did he say? What did he say, ma? Everything will be alright. Don't afraid. He was giving the consoling word. Sushrita saying to the traveler, everything will be alright. That fellow, whenever he heard that word, maybe he felt happy, I think. No, ma? So when we go to the doctor says, no, this is a very dangerous one. How we feel? We feel afraid. But when the doctor says, no problem, nothing, it will be cured. If he says, how we feel? But the doctor is good. Like that here also, the doctor saying, everything will be alright. But be quiet. Why? Be quiet. He let, lead is the present tense. Lead is the present tense. Led is the past tense. That fellow, the traveler was following the Sushruta. Let a stranger to a neat and clean room. Doctor's room always should be clean. The Sushruta also taking him into a clean room with the surgical instruments on its wall. He kept all the instruments on the wall. He washed his face with water and the juice of a medicinal plant. As soon as the doctor took him to a clean room, all the instruments kept on the wall. Then and there, he didn't waste the time. He didn't delay. Then and there, he washed the face with water and medicinal plant. He then offered him a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. How he was doing the operation, ma? First he cleaned the face with water and medicinal plant, and then he gave a mug of wine. Nowadays, when you go to the operation, doctors are giving the anesthesia. No, ma? Anesthesia. When the doctor gave the anesthesia here, this part became numb. When they are going to start the operation, we won't feel anything. Like that, in those days, Sushruta gave a mug of wine to the traveler and started the operation. What was the operation? His nose was disfigured, you remember it. So, he started the operation. Before the operation, he gave the mug of wine, you remember it. Then, with a large leaf of creeper, brought him from the garden. He measured the size of the stranger's nose, taking a knife and forceps from the wall. He held him over a frame and cut a strip of flesh from the stranger's cheek. The man moaned. Moan means feeling with the pain. Feeling with the groaning. In Telugu we will say moolugu. So he was moaning. The doctor started the operation. He went and took the one leaf and took the size of the nose, and he kept on the fire, and he was keeping something, but he was not taking any medicine, nothing. All the medicinal one. So afterward, when he was doing like that, the traveler was moaning. M-O-A-R, not M-O-R, moaning. But the wine had numbed his senses. Just now I told no more, when the doctors will give the anesthesia, the part became the numb. Like that, the doctor also gave the mug of wine. When he was started the operation, the part became numb. Lost the senses. No sense organs are there. No sense is there. When we went and still pinch like this, it won't get any pain because the part became numb. How he was doing the operation? After bandaging the cut in the cheek, Sushruta cautiously means very carefully, inserted 2 pipes into the stranger's nostrils. 2 pipes inserted the 2 nostrils and transplanted. Now kidney transplantation, heart transplantations are there. No, in those days only, Sushruta transplanted the flesh to the disfigured nose. Transplanted the flesh where he took from the cheek. The flesh he was going to keep around the disfigured nose. Transplanted. Then molding the flesh into shape, he dusted the nose. First he dusted the nose with the powder. So when there is a dust, we are keeping the powder, no ma? Like that, before keeping, doctor also dusting the powder on the nose. Before keeping operation, dusted the nose with the powdered liquid. That is the one type of the medical powder. red sandalwood and an extract of Indian barberry. He then enveloped the nose in cotton, sprinkled some refined oil, sprinkling mean like this, sprinkled refined oil of sensane on it, and finally put a bandage. Now the operation successfully fulfilled his work. So this Sushita, given a mug of wine before operating, the part became numb. He went and took something and dusted the powder, and he transplanted the nose. Now he was keeping the cotton on the nose, and then before the traveler left, now the operation successful. Before the traveler leave the place,